Kailan lang nag-come up, sir, yung idea that you will be the next Senate President, sir?
I think lumabas yan nung nagsalita si Senator Kiko Pangilinan, si Senator Ping Lacson, Senator Tito Soto. Napag-usapan ng grupo na they wanted a leader who can bring back the Senate back to its work. No? They also talked about someone unifying at kaibigan ng marami. And over the past naman, in both aisles, marami tayong kaibigan. So, doon lumabas yung ating pangalan.
Umuo ka ba agad, sir, o may hesitation?
I told them that, of course, I serve at the pleasure of my colleagues. No? Kung tingin nila makakatulong tayo sa institution, I'm ready to serve. No? Kasi matagal na rin tayo dito. I've been working here for 10 years and napakita ko naman yung aking seriousness sa trabaho. No? So I'm ready to serve. But ang importante sa akin yung support at cooperation ng grupo.
Yung pinanggalingan, sir, na maraming veteranong senador nang galing kay SP Soto, Senator Cheese, may worries nung una, sir? Fears, ganyan?
Hindi naman worry, but in fact, sa akin, it's malaking confidence building on my part because mga veterans to eh. And I'm very blessed na mayroong mga veterans na sumusuporta sa atin. And tuloy-tuloy yung akin pagko-consult sa kanila. I don't claim to know everything. No? Yung experience is a very vital component. No? So yun naman doon ako humingi ng experience sa kanila.
What will be the biggest challenge of your Senate presidency, sir?
I think ang biggest challenge now is to get back to work, to demonstrate to the other side of our colleagues na sincere tayo sa ating direction to get back to work. And of course, to demonstrate to the Filipino people na ang Senado ay handang tugunan ng mga pangangailangan natin at handang magtrabaho kaagad. No? Kasi marami ako nakakausap ng mga constituents natin. Talagang maraming nagulat, nadismaya, nagalit. So we have to regain their trust.